How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you're watching these videos and enjoying them, by all means, please subscribe. I haven't put a video out in about 2 weeks because of the holidays, with things we had going on, like probably most of you have had, and I'm hoping everybody had a great holiday and a happy new year. And hopefully this year will be better than last. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adjusting the eccentric screw for the Pawl shifter. Now, this transmission that we're doing it on, this is the one that we rebuilt, completely rebuilt, and this model did not come with an adjustable eccentric screw. So this is going to be new. So today I'm going to show you how to do the adjustment on it. So we'll get right to it. Okay, now this is the eccentric screw right here. This is what adjusts the Pawl shifter. And this is the Pawl shifter. And if you see the fingers here, what they do is they go over the shift drum. And every time you shift, what this does, it moves and it rotates the drum, which in turn slides the shift forks, which slide the gears, which put it in gear. See, like that. So it rotates the drum. So what you do with this is you have to adjust this so you have an even distance between the pins or the fingers where it goes down on the pins on the shift drum. So in order to do this, the transmission has to be in third gear. Shift arm has to be off because there's not enough room to get to this. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So we're going to remove the shift arm, and we're going to break this loose, and we'll be back. Okay, I figured there wasn't any point in you guys watching me take off the shift arm and cracking this loose, but the lock nut on the eccentric screw is broken loose now. Now, you get your Allen in there. That takes a 7/32 Allen. Now, if you watch the Pawl shifter here, you can see that moving back and forth very slowly. And what you want to do is you want to get these teeth or fingers over the pins. You want to have equal distance between the space in between the two pins it's on. So what you do here is you adjust this so there is equal distance between these two pins and the forks. So yeah, you move it back and forth like that. And that's looking pretty good. So what we'll do is we'll take and we'll put a drop of blue Loctite on there for the lock nut. And even though this is in a red container, it is blue Loctite, and just want a little drop. We'll put that on there. And spin that closed. Get it finger tight. But you do not want to move. Once you got it adjusted, you don't want to move that Allen. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to double check it again. And that looks even. Now you may have to do this a couple of times, but you can see back there it's equal distance between the two. So you get your 11/16 wrench on here. And you get your Allen in there. And we'll get this on the... And what you don't want to do is move that Allen. And you snug that lock nut down without moving the Allen, and then check it to make sure it didn't move. And that looks pretty good right there. Everything is moving, the distance is even. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the shift arm back on here, and then we're going to run through the gears. Get this on here real quick. Let me get the light out of the way. Get that tight. Get the tools out of the way. And now we're ready to try it. And there you go. Shifts beautiful. So that's it. So that's it. That's how you adjust the eccentric screw. Now you might have to do it a couple of times to get it right, because it is a little bit difficult. And when you're tightening that lock nut down, all that set screw has to do is move just a shade of an inch and it won't work right. But that pretty much is going to finish up this transmission. We're going to button it up, put the top cover on it, and that'll be done, and we'll be moving on to the next project. So I hope this video helps somebody, and until the next time, thank you all for watching, and everybody be safe out there.